Welcome back to week 3 of the summer swing. It's practice day, and I guess it's travel day at the same time. So, sparing the details, I ended up taking a red eye. Every flight that I've taken, I've had elbows in my body. It hasn't been a fun time. TSA, so last night, pre-check, closed. Okay, go to the regular line. Normally they have like a tag to give you for pre-check, so you don't have to take out your electronics. None of that. I've been traveling with my keyboard just to make editing easier, and if I want a game, I can do that as well. Forget to take that out, and they obviously pull my bag because there's a keyboard in there, electronic device. The guy's like, oh, you can't have an electronic device in your bag. I know the drill. I'm normally flying. I pre-check. I don't have to do this, so you know, kind of out of rhythm schedule. I don't know. I'm not used to doing it, so they let me keep my shoes on, which was cool, I guess. But you know, I feel like TSA officers talk down to people, and I'm not a fan. So show up. My bags beat me here, sparing the details. So my bags got here yesterday, and now I'm waiting because United is understaffed. There's somebody working the counter, somebody working flights, and I gotta wait like 15 minutes for, I guess, the flight to go off so I can get my bags. And I'm not really sure how far out Chris is. The airport's about 45 minutes from where we're bowling. So yeah, it hasn't been the best travel day I've ever had, and I'm really tired. We're reunited. How was your traveling experience?
It was fine. Better than yours.
Yeah, it's not hard to be better than mine.
Better than traffic in Cincinnati, we were free rolling.
Oh yeah, Chris was telling me about that. Yeah. Yes, if you're ever flying and you're sitting next to other people, keep your elbows to yourself because other people don't enjoy them.
Elbows too.
Yeah.
Everyone has elbows.
Yeah, you know those little...
Except for amputees.
Yeah, those... Oh my god, okay, we're cut. Alright, got a quick shower in. Didn't do the hair because I'm kind of short on time. And I also don't really care right now because the travel day sucked. But we're going to get some food really quick and then we're going to head over to practice. I think it's 2 to 4 and then Chris has pro-am tonight. So, yay, content! All right, we made it for practice.
So you know, I had the first ball hit the line.
That is not true. Replay that.
His ball hit the fence first. It came off my hand
I
first.
need a replay.
I didn't even get it on camera, I'm sorry. All right, here we go.
Alright, I'm done practicing. It's about a little over an hour in. I honestly went a little longer than I wanted to, but figured a couple more reps couldn't hurt. Urethane, of course, looks decent. We're bowling on 38 feet. The gutter isn't very reliable in this bowling center, so we're gonna have to be very cautious pair to pair and how we approach attacking the lanes. I don't think scores are gonna be super high, but you never know. You always gotta be open to what can happen out here on tour. And time to go drill a ball and change some surfaces. All right, back on the truck. Oh, this is exactly what we're looking for. They still have the chain, they have them chained up still. We're on 15. We're looking at an idle synergy, I'm thinking. Or Sean was thinking, and I trust Sean. Sean is the magic man, so we trust what he has to say. Brad's actually famous. The OG bowling vlogger.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, well, thanks for coming out. Appreciate
Oh. I was about to say, you guys rock, paper, scissors.
Are you a Darren Tang YouTube fan? Have you watched every video?
Not every video, but I've seen it.
Have you watched the Tang versus Tang videos?
Oh yeah.
Who wins those?
I feel like he can win,
But he doesn't.
no, at all. No.
I do want to know the secret.
The secret? Yeah. Elbow, screw into the ground.
Like elbow out or
I mean, if you want to be a good bowler, you got to keep it in.
in and tear.
But if you want to be like us, you got to throw it out there.
Do you have more rotation or less?
Less.
Do you have less rotation?
If you want it to hook more, you got to screw it into the ground harder.
So
That's what the people at home don't know. They try to play the back of the lane.
Yeah.
You got to try to make the urethane balls hook as early as
So
possible.
you're telling me when you compare to normal shots, you're just wrenching on as much.
Yeah.
Like as much as you can.
Not as much.
Actually. Oh yeah. That's what I do wrong. I can't. It's hard for me.
Your touch is too good. You got that sweet soft touch at the bottom.
Good for splits.
No, you got. This is the week.
Do you dig your fingers in, dude?
No, I just throw my elbow at it harder. Throw my head at the
All right,
ground.
well, if I win this weekend, thank you, Darren.
You got it, buddy. Got a Simo in his natural habitat, looking for bowling balls.
Pillaging Zen Master.
Zen Master. Oh, I don't have one of those yet. Is that the ball of the week?
Ball for Simo's week.
All right.
Do you want one?
Nah, I'm good, I think. I'll drill one tomorrow after you go 450 over. Well, the pro-am's about to start. Mikey and I were not selected to bowl, but Chris is bowling, so we're hanging out, and we're gonna ask some of the amateurs some questions. Honestly, who's your favorite bowler?
Anybody in the house?
Wrong. Who's your favorite bowler?
You want me to be honest or?
Be honest.
Darren Tang.
Wrong.
Obviously.
Oh wait, you said Darren, right?
Yeah.
Wait, yeah, that's the.
Yeah.
he's like, that's the right answer, duh. I'm just kidding. Your dad? Is that your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, he told me to give you a hard time.
Oh, that's fair.
So, all right, you're not gonna be left out. I'm gonna give everybody a hard time.
That's fair.
Who's your favorite bowler? What was that?
Elmo.
Wrong!
Oh my god.
Who's your favorite bowler?
Say definitely not Darren.
Who's my favorite
Yeah,
bowler?
who's your favorite bowler?
Should I say Elmo?
You should. I'm sure you'd like it a lot.
No, you know what my favorite is? Norm.
Norm?
Oh yeah.
Wrong! I'm just kidding. There are no wrong answers. Who's your favorite bowler?
Me.
Wrong!
Be the game to hit right here.
Well, we're clearly invested in this Pro-Am because all we've been doing is trying to get tickets. We're gonna get prizes
They have them for 900.
for Mikey's kid that's coming soon.
Okay, it's for me.
Oh. And this is what it's like being around a superstar. He's just taking pictures all the time and... Oh, never mind.
exactly.
He's getting a picture with Mikey. Never mind. I take
wanna
it
get a
back.
picture with you
Oh,
too.
God. Not me, too. Oh, my goodness. All right. Well, cat's out of the bag. I guess we're all just...
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
With the vlog. I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, okay. That backfired pretty hard. But all right. Chris just finished bowling the Pro-Am. We're going to go get some pizza for dinner. I'm sure you don't really care to see it, so we're gonna wrap up the vlog here. Chris bowls A squad, we bowl B squad. Mikey and I are bowling on the same pair. That's kind of wild. I don't think it's ever happened besides a doubles tournament.
And it's 2 Columbus and 2 Vegas people.
That's true. Yeah, Marshall's on our pair as well.
That's low-key kind of crazy.
And he baked.
You want back or?
So,
I'd like to.
yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an adventurous day. The scores are normally pretty low here, very difficult. And it's gonna be a grind. Gotta pick up our spares. You always gotta pick up your spares. Leave it open! All right, well, Mikey just closed the door on me, and I'm gonna close the door on the vlog.